Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and after this project, after the last project, I have decided to don't write all of the code myself. So I will I already write necessary code here, and I will just explain what my code does because writing all of this code myself just cause the time loss, and we shouldn't lose time. Videos are being too long, being more long than I expected, so I have decided to do this way, and probably all of this project after this 14 project will be this way. I don't know if you like it or not. You can say that you can say like we can continue this way or we like the old way. In comments you can write a write a comment about this. Also, most of people already knows basics of Python, so explaining everything again and again doesn't make sense. So I will start to explain what my code does here. First, we are defining our class, and after that we are defining our init function, which includes all of our variables here. For now, for this project, we just used money, and we got our another function, invest money, and here we are using try except. We are trying to add money using input. Please enter the amount of money you want to invest, and we are assigning it to a variable. Here we are adding our money to our self.money here, which we defined in init function. And if we can't add the money, we are accepting a value error, which one of the error classes in Python. And if we tried this part and we didn't succeed, writing, we are just printing please enter a valid number with value error. Now we can use another type of error. For example, I mean, we can use type error, or like we did previous, we can use value error. This is about you. You can use which one you want, but we will need this when we wanna, for example, in the end of the our function, we wanna print value error or type error. So we should be careful what we use here because we will need it in the future. I have choose. I mean, we are not, of course, using in this project, but when you use another somewhere in your project or somewhere else, when you use try except, you should be careful about here. We printed please enter a wallet number. Then we have defined another function here, withdraw money. And here we are trying to withdraw our money. We are using another input here, and we are asking please enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Now we added a special if condition, and this if condition is if money we wanna withdraw is more than our money in the bank, then we are just printing insufficient balance, and in the else we are just decreasing money we withdraw from our self-taught money in here in our init function. And for the final, we are just defining a show money function which show our current balance, current money here. It print. We use try except here and we use value error here again because this is a value error too. We are using numbers. We are trying to get or send or withdraw money. We are trying to invest or withdraw money. And we can use value error for all of these parts because if money is not enough, we will get a value. If money is enough, we will not get a value error. So using error here makes sense. Um, so we are calling our class here and we are creating an instance of it. Then we are creating an infinite while loop to show user a menu. We are getting which operation user wants to do with an input. For example, the user can invest money, can withdraw money, can show money, can quit. If user choose first operation, we are we are just showing, we are just calling our invest money function. If user choose second operation, we are calling withdraw money function. If user choose third one here, we are just showing money of user, and if user choose the fourth option, we are just printing quit, and we are breaking the loop and follow else if users enters uh, another number or anything like that, we are just printing please enter a valid option. We can use here try except block, and we will use value error again here if we use try except here, but I didn't do it that way, so we can just run our code and see if it works. From the start we have zero money from the beginning, so it will start from zero. We are defined self.money 0 here, and we will choose invest money. I will enter 50, and I will say show my money, and as you can see it shows our current balance here. I will choose withdraw money. I will choose 50 again, then I will show my money again, and it shows 0 here. If I withdraw money that doesn't exist, for example, if I try to withdraw 50 again, it prints insufficient balance. If I wanna end this loop, I can just use quit. Now, as you can see, our code works, but of course, this code works inside of our computer, so every time I run this code again, my money will get 0. So it's not saving. And I guess that's it for this project. See you again in our next project, which will be 15th project of my 100 Python project. So see you later, guys.